Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FAMI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, the bounce continues. That started back on Thursday, and that's what I was talking about here with that green line. But that's also now what brings about the first key update that needs to be done, and that update is just, revolved around the fact that the lowest it got today was right here at the 40-cent mark. So moving forward, 40 cents is what I would definitely call the ideal level of support. Meaning, if you're asked Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best going forward? And certainly if the price can stay above 40 cents, that would be a massive sign of power. Now, if the price falls below there, not the end of the world. More so the level that I'd consider a must-hold level now sits at the 36-cent mark. And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to happen, but for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down here to 36 and then break below it, first off, that would just imply that both these levels of resistance were of support were broken. But then to compound that, then all of a sudden that would also be implying that the price has literally gone right back to where it started. I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength. And again, I'm not saying that's what's going to occur, but that is why I would consider more so 36 a much more important level, whereas the ideal level, would just be up there at 40 cents. In terms of levels of resistance, main level now to watch moving forward, nothing fancy, just simply where did the bounce stop today? And that was right up there at the 46-cent mark. So 46 cents will be public enemy number one. Then you'll also want to watch that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, currently valued right up there around the 60-cent mark. But all in all, the bounce continues, so let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.